Are you guys ready?
Let me tell you about me. Take it down in 1, 2, 3. I don't like my boys too sweet. I don't worry about you. I just worry about me. So you better run.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, hi, welcome. I'm Patrick. I love plants. And if you do too, you should definitely hit that subscribe button. I love going on plenty adventures and taking you along with. So if that sounds like something that could be fun for you, then you should definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. Today is another plenty adventure and I'm so excited. Plants.Choto is holding an open house and I'm really excited to check it out. I've never been here, but I was invited by the lovely Denise, also known as Tropical Seductions on Instagram, and I'm honored. And I've been following Plants.Choto on Instagram for a while now, so I'm really excited to meet them. I do know that they are a fun family, and this is a family-operated operation of some amazing plants. So here we are, and let's go check this open house out. So exciting. This is really cool. This is such a nice setup. When Denise first reached out to me and invited me to the Plants.Choto open house, I was super excited, but I really didn't know what to expect because I've never been to one of these. And when I first walked in, the first thing that struck me was just how beautiful their area was and how filled with plants it just was. Beautiful plants all over the place, and I was overwhelmed, but in the best way. They really did a wonderful job setting everything up, and look, most importantly, so many beautiful plants. Anthurium luxurians for $165. That is a nice, beautiful size too. Ooh, Anthurium regale for $80. Nice big leaf right there. Ooh, talk about big leaf. Let's see, I don't know what that is. Anthurium balawanum. Wow. Anthurium rigulosum, $65. Here's another Anthurium peltigerum, so cute. These are $95. All these anthuriums are so beautiful. They look really great. Like, it's nice seeing everything together too, right? Look at this, Anthurium hookeri for $325. Wow, this one's nice. Beautiful variegation. Here's another beautiful Anthurium veitchii. Look at that, $60 for that. That's a good deal. This philodendron 69686 is so beautiful. I love how big and just juicy these leaves are. This one's $175. Philodendron melanochrysums for $70. And oh, these are nice. Look at that, how it's just catching the sun. The Philodendron rubrosynctum platinum. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, this is fun. These are Hoya cuttings. This is a fun way to have them too. Hoya New Guinea Ghost, $55. Hoya Nova Ghost for $40. And I think I like the Nova Ghost. That one's $55. Okay, I won't bother them anymore. Ooh, Philodendron varicosum, Amazon Sunset. Look at how beautiful that is. This is $90. Philodendron SP Columbia. Look how beautiful that is, right? This one's $155. I thought it was really neat that they had all their variegated plants grouped together in this variegated section. They had some really beautiful Monstera constellations, this super variegated Amedrium. I thought that was really cool. And some really nice Philodendron Ring of Fires, all for some great prices too. Ooh, look at this! Caramel marble. That one's $18.50. So pretty. OMG, you guys, it's beautiful in here. So many beautiful plants, right? Okay, so first these epipremnums. It's so cool in here. It is. It's really awesome. We're enjoying some Plants.Choto palomas. These are really good. Look at this beautiful strawberry shake. I like the way that they have their moss poles like that. That's really cool. And they even have their hanging plants like that. I love that idea. Ooh. I see something really cool. That's Philodendron bipennifolium variegated. Isn't that cool? Wow, look at this. Variegated anthurium? What is this? I don't know what that is, but that is beautiful. Check out this amazing Monstera dubia. I can never get mine to look like that. I don't know why. And this amazing beauty. Is that a variegated Homalomina? This greenhouse has everything. It has some really cool Hoyas and some really beautiful, amazing Aroids. Oh wow, look, this sigillatus silver. That is so cool. It's always cool to see some Philodendron eupeias for sale. But not only that, look at that beautiful soderoy. Nothing like some syngoniums to tempt me. I feel like they had almost all the elusive beauties that I've always been looking for. Syngonium aurea, Syngonium strawberry ice, Syngonium mojito. And now I know where to go to get my Syngonium. Ooh, look at this beauty. It's not for sale, but check this out. It's got the most beautiful variegation and some really nice big mature leaves for this Philodendron Florida Beauty. So mine's doing really well at home, but this one's doing exceptionally well. Mine's loving the grow tent and the grow light and all, but I think what I'm missing is not the support, but the moss pole at the back so that the roots can really dig in and produce some bigger leaves. So that might be my next thing to do for my Philodendron Florida Beauty. I keep going between like Hoyas and Aroids, and I think like fresh off my trip to Florida, I'm really loving Aroids right now, so I'm back at the Philodendron table. Just making sure that I didn't miss anything. Ooh, I did. I'm so glad I came back. They have Philodendron patriciaes. These are 75. That's really good. They were, I was just somewhere else and they were 200. Philodendron glorious. What is that? The gloriosum and the melanochrysum. That one's 50. Ooh, Monstera standeliana aurea for 40. That's a really nice deal. And the Philodendron serpents. These fuzzy petioles are calling my name. They always do. Ooh, look at this begonia. It's so big. That's so pretty. It's trailing too. Ooh, Anthurium flavolineatum sharp. I'm loving these. Anthurium luxurians platinum. I know Stacy just got one of these. Shout out to Stacy. That was so nice to meet you. So thanks for saying hi. And congrats on your new plant. That is a beauty. Look at this cute little baby Philodendron palmanii. $20 too. That's a good price. Check this out. This is new to me. A Philodendron melanochrysum variegata. I didn't even know those existed. I just wanted to say thank you so much, Denise, for inviting me. This is so amazing.
Thank you so much for coming and showing support for small businesses in California.
Yes. And this is Denise, Tropical Seductions. I'm sure you already know. She is plant social media queen from the West Coast. I'll definitely be keeping my plants inside the Mars Hydro Grow tent because it's definitely taken away the guesswork out of growing and has increased my confidence in my ability to keep my plants happy. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. I had so much fun. I did pick up a plant. I was really excited to see these Philodendron Patriciaes for $75. So I could not pass that up. And I also got a really cool goodie bag. So let's go over that. I'm really, really excited. This is super cute. Jacob was showing me this. This is their crystallinum seedling, and this is their first hybrid. It's a crystallinum no ID. It's already looking so cute. Do you see the shimmery veins? So pretty. Got some Plants.Choto soil and some really cute stickers. You gotta check these stickers out. Isn't that beautiful? Pink princess. Ooh. Look at that. I'm gonna manifest that. And my favorite one of all is the one with Mama Choto on it. So cute. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Please throw me a bone and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my plant videos, come plant shopping with me. Hit that subscribe button. I can't wait to see you in the next video. I just don't want to miss you too much. So if you could show me some love in the comments, and I'll meet you there. Bye.
Baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the route, yeah, baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the route, yeah, baby, I got you.